and you shall put my name upon them. So we don't know how, but this is what God commanded. He commanded my fathers in the temple in those days. It's a command. So it's my blessing to do it. And he said, do this to my people. And this is Israel. But today, joined with them in the Spirit, you are joined and you are citizens of Israel. The Bible says that you are also citizens of my blessing to bless you. Now this I'll try to do in a circle. But if you will close your eyes and you will lift up your hands and receive this blessing as from the Lord, as His will is to bless your life. And all the more as you've opened up the way for Him to bless. In the language of Jesus.